Now, let us read page number 112. Anbu and the fish. Anbu and the fish. So, Anbu is the name of the boy and a fish. Anbu was talented in catching fish. Talented means Dharmasali, okay? He always went to catch fish with Madan. So, along with his friend Madan, he went to catch fish with him. Both of them went to the and catching the fish. They usually used dhoti as a net to catch the fish. So, dhoti vechi aalukku oru pakkam vechittu they will put it inside under the water and they close it. The water the waste and the dhoti the fish will come inside. So, they usually used dhoti as a net to catch the fish. Anbu also made fishing rods using sticks and thorns at home. So, Anbu enna is made a fishing rod பண்றதுக்கு அந்த மீன் பிடிக்கிறதுக்கு he made using the sticks and thorns. Thornsனா அந்த முள்ளு இது இருக்கிற மாதிரி at home. Then they shared the fish equally. After catching the fish, they shared them equally. Unlike their friends, Anbu and Madan were always careful while fishing. So, while they are doing the fishing, both of them are very careful while catching the fish. They never went deep into the pond or river. So, ஆழமா எதுக்குமே போவே மாட்டாங்க. Even the pond இல்லைன்னா river, குளம் இல்லைன்னா river ஆறு. Every Sunday, they would go in search of earthworms to use them as a bait. So, for bait, the fish பிடிக்கிறதுக்கு அந்த ஹூக்கில் வந்து they will put some worm, earthworm. அதுதான் bait. அதை பிடிக்கிறதுக்கு இவங்க வைக்கிற இது. They enjoyed searching for earthworms. ஸோ அங்கே ஏதாவது earthworm இருக்குதா மண்புழு சொல்லுவாங்க. They are searching. Once the bait was ready, they would go fishing. So if the bait was ready means they would go for the fishing. On Sunday, Anbu was not happy. Suddenly one day what happened? The Anbu was not happy because they were able to catch only 3 fish. 3 fish only தான் பிடிச்சாங்க. They can able to catch. The fish were very small to cook. They decided to grow the fish at home. So the fish வந்து பிடிச்ச fish வந்து it's very small. So they decided to grow the fish. They want to cook actually, but it's very small and they want to grow the fish. Anbu filled the jar with water and let the 3 fish into it. So what Anbu had done? He put 3 fish into the jar and filled it with water. So let the 3 fish will swim in this water. The fish exerted and swam in different directions. So fish enna பண்ணுச்சு this side and that side it swam. After that, Anbu thought the fish was hungry and dropped the earthworms into the jar. Anbu enna நினைச்சா அதுக்கு பசிக்குது போல இருக்கு, it feels hungry, so he would drop the earthworms into the jar. But to his surprise, the fish did not eat. But என்னாச்சு the fish வந்து it didn't took the earthworms. He saw their eyes and could feel their fear. So அந்த என்ன பண்ணா கண்ணு அதை saw their eyes. அதை கண்ணை பார்த்துட்டு is very much afraid, fear. Next morning he went straight to the fish jar from his bed. So as soon as the morning, what happened? That boy Anbu went straight to the fish jar from his bed. Bedலேருந்து இறங்கி நேராக fish jar கிட்ட போனான். He saw only 2 fish in the jar. Only 2 fishes only in the jar. He searched for the fish everywhere. He is searching here and there because 3 fish வந்து அந்த ஜாரில் போட்டான். So where is the 1 fish? Then he saw 1 fish on the floor. Suddenly he saw one of the fishes fell on the floor. Anbu was very sad and his father consoled him. So what is Anbu becomes very sad. So his father consoled him. In the evening, his father got a new fish tank. So Anbu changed the fish into the new tank. So his father enna panna seri and the jar it's not able to swim fast. So his father bought him a small fish tank. So what he had done, he put the fish into the new tank. The next day, the Anbu rushed back from school to the tank. So as soon as he came from the school, he went to the fish tank and saved the fish. He saw that one more fish was dead and floating on the top. Ada pathaka innor fish mele irundhu it was floating on the top. He started crying. His father said this fish lives in the rivers and lake. இதெல்லாம் ஃபிஷ் வந்து ரிவர்ஸ்லேயும் லேக்ஸ்லேயும் லாங்காக போய் ஸ்விம் பண்ணிகிட்டே இருக்கும். நேச்சர் இஸ் தர் ஹோம். தட் இஸ் த நேச்சர் ஆஃப் த ஹோம். அதுங்களுடைய நேச்சர் ஹோம் வந்து ஃபிஷ் இந்த ரிவர் இல்லைன்னா பாண்ட். It is best to let them be free. So we should not keep the fish in the tank. Let it be free. The fish tank means it will be like a 4 rectangle shape of the tank. So if the 4 sides name it's not, it doesn't like the fish. It is best to let them be free. So his father said, let all the fishes, we'll throw it into the, let them be free. He saw the last fish swimming alone and he felt bad. So last 3 fish, only 1 fish is there. It was is this fish swimming alone and he felt very bad, this Anbu. He took the fish to the same pond and set it free. So அந்த fish வந்து என்ன பண்ணாங்கன்னா அந்த பாண்டில் எடுத்து போய் திருப்பி அங்கேயே விட்டுட்டாங்க. From then on, Anbu and Madan bought a packet of puffed rice and fed the fish. So after that they didn't catch the fish, they just bought a puffed rice to feed the fish. Feeding fish was the new hobby. So எப்போ வேணாலும் டெய்லியோ இல்லை one day or 2 days after that they will go on feeding the fish for them, fish food. So what happened? If you put the fish into the pot or anything, that it's not good. So let them be free in the river or the pond. Okay. So this is the lesson for you. So just we will see the dictation words. Anbu and the fish. Talented. What is that? Talented. Then catching. What's this? Catching. Then sticks. Sticks. Thorns. Then shared. Shared equally. Careful. Then search. So all these words you must learn. Search. Then earthworm. Earthworm. Pond. Deep. Bait. B-A-I-T. Bait. Ready. Decided. D-E-C-I-D-E-D. Decided. Exerted. Exerted. Hungry. So all these words you can learn. Hungry. Then thought. Then dropped. Surprise. Straight. S-T. Learn the spelling and pronounce the word properly. Straight. Search, we have written. Search. Search. Okay. Consoled. Consoled. Changed. Floating. Did. Then nature. Crying. Swimming. So all these words, learn each one 5 times. Bought. packet, puffed, feeding. So, shall we pronounce the word? Talented. Okay. Talented. Talented. Say it again. Talented. Talented. Catching. 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 Sticks. 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 Then thorns. 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 Shared. 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 Equally. 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 Careful. 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 Search. 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 Feeding. 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 Earthworm. Earth. Earth. Worm. Earthworm. Pond. 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 Deep. Deep. Bait. Bait. Ready. Ready. Decided. Decided. Exerted. 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 Hungry. 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 Thought. Thought. Puffed. Puffed. Dropped. Dropped. The words you learn. Surprise. 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 Consoled. 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 Changed. Changed. Floating. Floating. Dead. Dead. Nature. Nature. Crying. Crying. Swimming. Swimming. Bought. Bought. Packet. Packet. Okay. So, learn these words and take your book and learn the lesson also. Okay. So, this is the Anbu and the fish. So, shall we read the dictation words again? Talented, say all of you. Talented. Talented. Okay. Talented. 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 Then catching. Cat. Catching. Sticks. Sticks. Thorns. 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 Stick. Sticks. Shared. 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 Equally. Equally. Careful. Full. Careful. Search. Search. Feeding. Feed. Feeding. Okay. Earthworm, EARTH, earth, and worm, 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 earthworm. Pond, 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 DEEP, deep, BAIT, bait, ready, 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 DECIDED, decided, EXERTED, exerted, decided. Okay, like this you can split the words and see. Decided, DEDCICDED, decided. Exerted, EXXERTED, exerted. Hungry, HUNGRY, hungry. THOUGHT, thought. PUFFED, puffed. PUFFED, puffed. Then dropped, DROPPED, dropped. Surprise, SURPRISE, surprise. Straight, STRAIGHT, straight. Consoled, CONSOLED, consoled. CHANGED, changed. FLOATING, floating. DEAD, dead. Nature, NATURE, nature. Okay, then crying, CRYING, crying. Swimming, SWIMMING, swimming. Bought, BOUGHT, bought. PACKET, packet. Okay, these are the D words from the lesson 2. So learn this lesson word by word, and a poem also I told you, treasure trove. Read when you're happy, read when you're sad. Learn about space, learn on mass. Picture and auto race, zoom with cars. So like this 4 lines you can learn. You glance at history, go back in time to discover a mystery, solve a crime. Read about the last bicycle, where can it be? Visit a lovely mermaid under the sea. Read when you're happy, read when you're sad. So morning, it's previous class I took this poem and I have written on the board also. You might have seen this. So learn this poem and meanings also I have written. So page number 105, meanings is also there. And you learn this also, page number 112. Let us read that Anbu and the fish lesson. Okay. So all the dictation words I have given. So learn this dictation words also and learn the full lesson.